Tom came on Monday. Tom came on Monday. Tom got home on Monday. Tom got home on Monday. Tom was home on Monday. Tom was home on Monday. Tom resigned on Monday. Tom resigned on Monday. Tom didn't go on Monday. Tom didn't go on Monday. Tom is coming on Monday. Tom is coming on Monday. Tom is coming this Monday. Tom is coming this Monday. Tom is home every Monday. Tom is home every Monday. Tom passed away Monday. Tom passed away Monday. Tom will come on Monday. Tom will come on Monday. Tom will leave next Monday. Tom will leave next Monday. Tom cooked dinner on Monday. Tom cooked dinner on Monday. Tom will be home on Monday. Tom will be home on Monday. Tom does that every Monday. Tom does that every Monday. Tom will return on Monday. Tom will return on Monday. Tom comes here every Monday. Tom comes here every Monday. Tom may be home on Monday. Tom may be home on Monday. Tom should wait until Monday. Tom should wait until Monday. What happened to Tom on Monday? What happened to Tom on Monday? Where did Tom go on Monday? Where did Tom go on Monday? Tom called me last Monday. Tom called me last Monday. Tom is going to come on Monday. Tom is going to come on Monday. I'll call Tom Monday evening. I'll call Tom Monday evening. Tom helped Mary last Monday. Tom helped Mary last Monday. Tom still does that every Monday. Tom still does that every Monday. Tom will get back home on Monday. Tom will get back home on Monday. Tom called Mary Monday evening. Tom called Mary Monday evening. Tom has been here since Monday. Tom has been here since Monday. Tom is going to quit on Monday. Tom is going to quit on Monday. Tom must have been home on Monday. Tom must have been home on Monday. Tom will go home on Monday, too. Tom will go home on Monday, too. Tom won't get home until Monday. Tom won't get home until Monday. I think Tom died on Monday. I think Tom died on Monday. Tom is expected back on Monday. Tom is expected back on Monday. Tom said he planned to go Monday. Tom said he planned to go Monday. Tom sprained his wrist on Monday. Tom sprained his wrist on Monday. Tom's funeral will be on Monday. Tom's funeral will be on Monday. What's Tom going to do on Monday? What's Tom going to do on Monday? I hope Tom does that on Monday. I hope Tom does that on Monday. Tom is rarely at home on Monday. Tom is rarely at home on Monday. Tom sprained his ankle on Monday. Tom sprained his ankle on Monday. Tom isn't often busy on Monday. Tom isn't often busy on Monday. Tom said he'd be back on Monday. Tom said he'd be back on Monday. Tom says he'll leave on Monday. Tom says he'll leave on Monday. I hear Tom will come on Monday. I hear Tom will come on Monday. I hope Tom isn't home on Monday. I hope Tom isn't home on Monday. I told Tom you'd leave on Monday. I told Tom you'd leave on Monday. Tom drives to work every Monday. Tom drives to work every Monday. Tom rarely stays home on Monday. Tom rarely stays home on Monday. Tom wasn't at school last Monday. Tom wasn't at school last Monday.